should say you got it wrong because you said it's Marvel. Superman is not Marvel. Babe, why are you trying to be so tough on me? I just want to slap your face with a pie.
You are. Hi, my name is Hedda.
And I'm Chris.
And we're
Raising Hezzy. I forgot what we're doing.
Today we are going to play a game.
What is the game again?
So you can either say names, songs, or quotes from TV shows, and we gotta guess. Whoever loses gets pied in the face at the end. And what you got? Shrimp and crawfish. I got fried shrimp and some crawfish. So let's get it started.
Peter Parker. Start easy.
Spider-Man.
Alright.
Okay. Iron Man. What's his real name?
Tony Stark. Drake and Josh.
Drake and Josh. You can't. Okay.
You gotta tell me who the actors were.
Okay.
Their real names.
Drake.
Oh,
his name's Drake.
obviously.
Josh. His name's Josh.
Last names.
Do you know their full names? What's the full name? Drake Bell and Josh something. Olivia Pope.
Scandal? I've never even seen that show. Twitter saved me. Suicide Squad.
Never seen that.
The Book of Eli.
Eli.
Hmm?
Eli. The book of Eli.
Who's the main actor?
Eli.
That's your final answer?
Mm-hmm.
No.
How is the Book of Eli? How is the main character not Eli?
It's Denzel Washington.
I was gonna say that. You didn't say the real name.
Hmm? I said who was the main character?
Eli.
His name was not Eli. I feel like Hedda's gonna end up with a pie in her face.
Yeah, I.
Benny.
Benny
Mm-hmm.
from Motown Magic?
Yeah.
Dewey.
It's the little rat mouse from Stuart Little. Oh,
No.
or Family Guy. Bailey.
Bailey.
Mm-hmm.
Bailey.
Bailey.
When have I seen something where someone's name is Bailey?
Oh, you watched it, right?
Bailey?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
Grey's Anatomy.
I've never seen Grey's Anatomy. What the hell?
You've been in the same room with us while watching. And I don't watch Family Guy, but I know his name.
Duh, because that's something everybody knows. You've seen it before.
So you've never seen.
No, I've never seen Grey's.
So if I said Meredith Grey, you would know though.
No.
Why not?
I would have probably said 50 Shades of Grey or something. I got shot in the eye.
Think by me.
Ow.
Sorry.
Paul Walker.
Fast and Furious.
Mm-hmm. Anastasia.
Mm-hmm.
From the movie Anastasia?
No.
Who?
You don't want to guess? I know you know it.
It probably said 50 Shades of Grey or something.
Mm-hmm.
50 Shades of Grey.
McLovin.
Good Burger, Home of the Book, Good Burger. Well, I've never watched that show, and you've never watched it in front
And
of
it's a
me.
movie. And it's called Superbad.
Never watched it.
You have seen Superbad, bro. Don't lie.
Never. Rose.
Rose? Damn, bro, you're getting hard. Who is Rose?
Titanic.
Oh. Alright.
That's not hard.
I know one you're not gonna get.
Okay, go.
Juice. Name an actor from Juice.
Tupac.
Fuck.
Done.
Name one of Steve Harvey's shows besides Steve.
The Steve Harvey Show.
No, that's what I was talking about, the Steve Harvey show.
No, I'm talking about the one from the 90s.
No, because it's still a Steve
It's not
Harvey
his
show.
talk Oh.
Yes, it is.
Family Feud.
Yeah.
Hmm.
We gotta speed it up.
About this. Name 3 people from Stranger Things.
Hold on, because you just recently watched Stranger Things and it was not with me, so you know damn well my memory is not up to par.
Yeah. You've seen it.
The fat guy, the skinny guy,
No.
the weird girl.
The names. 2 people.
Tom and Jack.
No. So that's what 2 wrong by you. And-
2 wrong by you.
Okay. What do I know?
Oh, this is a story, y'all.
First principle. Annabelle.
Annabelle.
No.
Huh?
Well, yeah, but
The one with Chucky.
no.
Oh, I don't know.
The Conjuring. So that's 3 wrong by you, then.
Here's the cookie, good enough for me. Here's the cookie, good enough for me. Here's the cookie, good enough for me. Oh, cookie, 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 starts.
I don't know.
Almost World. Now, don't try to go hard just because you didn't know
Alright.
nothing. That was easy. Sesame Street was easy.
What are you talking about? Who used to host Pimp My Ride?
I never really watched it like that.
For real? You didn't watch MTV growing up?
I had traditional Filipino parents.
Name 2 people, name 2 people from Jackass.
I can't. I've never watched it.
You've never seen Jackass? Oh my god.
This
Rose.
moment right here, you see Christopher contemplating his relationship with Hedda. I don't know. Will it work?
It is. Hard. Candace.
Phineas and Ferb. Name a movie that Lindsay Lohan starred in.
Parent Trap.
Okay.
The movie Jamie Foxx starred in.
Can I just sing one of his songs?
Yeah. He starred in a few movies.
Oh, no.
So.
I can't.
Huh.
Name one of Hillary Duff's movies. Hillary Duff.
Exactly. I don't even know who the hell that is. So that ain't fair.
What you mean? You just said who she was. Lizzie McGuire.
And that was my guess.
Nah.
You gotta give me something I know.
I didn't know what movies Jamie Foxx was.
Django.
Never watched it.
Yes, you have. And that's a fact.
I swear.
Okay, fucking Starfire.
I don't know it.
Yeah, you do. You definitely Teen Titans Go. You get one for that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Name an Amanda Bynes movie.
Amanda Bynes?
Amanda Bynes.
The Amanda Bynes Show?
Movie.
I don't know.
Final answer.
Yeah. Name one.
What a Girl Wants.
What a girl wants.
She's a Man. You've really never watched an Amanda Bynes movie.
What is She's a Man?
It's where she dresses up as her brother in a university
And play soccer?
and plays soccer.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Okay.
I'll take that one.
Who do you watch that with?
When I was a little kid,
With who?
myself.
Uh-huh.
This is from a TV show.
Okay.
Plank.
SpongeBob.
No. Not Plankton, Plank. Ed, and Eddie.
I haven't watched it.
Yeah.
I've heard of it, but I've never watched it.
What?
My mom didn't like it. Whatever happened lately, New York, even TV, everywhere you go,
I don't know.
everywhere. You had to believe in
What? Is that 101?
Full House.
I used to make fun of my brother for
Okay.
watching it.
Oh, your brother watched
Yeah.
Full House? Full House?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I love Full House, so okay. This song was in one of the shows. Down, baby.
It's my go.
It's my go.
No, because you got it wrong.
I didn't get it wrong.
No,
it didn't count.
It didn't count.
Yeah, mine didn't count, and I just gave
Okay,
up
go
my
ahead.
turn.
Go
Y'all
ahead.
see how she be cheating?
Okay, go.
All right, vote for Pedro.
I don't know.
Napoleon Dynamite.
I've never watched that, but I've heard of that saying.
Going down. I'm going down. 'Cause you ain't around, baby. My whole world's upside down.
Oh fuck.
One of the sisters sang it on the show. You don't know it? Sister.
Who was obsessed with one of the sisters from Sister?
It starts with the R.
But who played him?
No!
That's what I was
Marcus.
asking.
Marcus. No, I don't even know his full name.
Yes, you do.
No, I got Roger and I got Marcus.
But I meant who.
No, babe, you didn't. You weren't specific.
No, I need to know
Pacific.
his name. A movie that Tom Cruise played in.
I'm down one. Or you're down one because I can't name one.
A movie Marlon Wayans has played in. Not a show, a movie.
Marlon.
Yeah, Marlon. Not
White Chicks.
I should have said that on my check.
Name 2 people from Hayward.
I can't. Can you? Lois Lane.
It's Marvel. Superman.
I should say you got it wrong because you said it's Marvel. Superman is not Marvel.
Well, Chris, it looks like you're getting pie in the face.
I was trying to buy time till I finish the Savor stuff.
Are you done?
No, I got 2 more.
You're trying
Go.
to slow it
No,
down.
I'm not. Go.
No,
All
stop
right,
it.
we'll go. You go, and then I go, and then that's it.
Name one movie where the world is about to end. There's a lot of movies like that, so I'm going easy on it.
Interstellar?
That's a movie?
Yeah.
Look, give me your phone, look it up. Ooh. I guess.
Alright, name a movie Chris Brown's played in.
Oh, it's that Christmas movie.
Yeah, what's the name?
I want to say it's called something Christmas. Hold on. It's either this Christmas or last Christmas.
Which one?
No.
Take a guess.
No. I said it.
Good guess. Which one? You can't say it's either this or this.
No. I said it though. I didn't say it.
Yeah, you gotta pick one. You can't pick two names.
Last Christmas.
Oh, he was wrong.
No, this is a different. Oh, this is.
Let's go.
Okay, last round. All right, last round.
Okay, name a Tom Hanks movie.
The Forrest Gump.
Yeah.
Okay. Name a Sandra Bullock movie.
That's
4,
not fair. No, don't.
3,
You can't say
2,
besides.
1. Bird Box. I know you know this. Bird Box. We watched it a few months ago. It was the whole thing.
Yeah,
So you
redemption
lost?
question.
No.
You don't
You
count
can't. No, you see this man.
Let me get one. Because it should have been my turn after you asked me that shit I didn't see.
It was the last round.
Yeah,
It goes
no.
one question. You
That's
didn't
what I'm
see the
saying,
movie
it's-
that I tried? Then go to
It's
the
the
next
last.
question.
It's the last round, so you can't say
It's the
besides
last
this.
round, babe. You lost.
So you can't say
babe.
besides
Babe,
this.
you lost. It's okay.
No, that's really not fair. This is do or die. Babe, why are you trying to be so tough on me? I just want to slap your face with a pie.
Name 2 Taraji P. Henson movies.
Man, think like a woman. Think like a woman, act like a man. She wasn't in that.
No, you need to say the fucking movie correctly.
Think like a woman, act like a man.
That's not what the movie is.
Act like a man, think like a woman.
That's not what it is.
Act like a woman, think
You were
like a man.
hard on me with that this Christmas and last
Act
Christmas.
like a woman, think like a man.
Nope.
Think like a woman, act like a man.
No.
Think like a man, act like a woman.
No.
Act like a woman, think like a man.
No.
Think like a man, act like a woman. Think like a woman, act like a man. Yes,
I promise. Just
think like a lady.
No,
Think
just
like a
take,
man.
just take that out. babe.
No.
Just take that out.
No.
I gave you redemption. Just take that out.
Intruder. I don't know 2 movies with her.
Yes, you do.
What's the one I'm trying to name?
But you lost the redemption. Period.
I don't know 2 movies.
Yes, you do. The Karate Kid, Think Like a Man. Ralph Breaks the Internet.
I said think like a
Wait.
man.
No. You said act like a woman, think like a man.
Act like a lady, think like a man.
Yeah, you kept saying.
That's the name of the book, right?
No, I don't know. You could have done Ice Age.
That's not
There's a
fair.
few. Ah, no!
No.
I
that's
know it's
not-
redemption. Karate Kid.
that's
Think
not
like a
fair.
man. You knew the No Good Deed. You just didn't know the title.
That counts.
Y'all.
You can't do 2. That's
Yeah.
hard.
You've been doing 2 actors on me.
Not in
That's
overtime.
hard. What?
Not in
Babe,
overtime.
I'm sorry, you lost.
You gotta be.
We had to improvise because Chris messed up the whipped cream. So it's ice cream instead of whipped cream.
Stop. Stop.
Babe. Babe. Did you fart?